enough of storage space. Yeah, there is. All right, today every daily ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ to you guys, yeah, till she comes on. So yaru nanke if you want to join my live video, you can send me requests. Hi Preetham, wait, I'm just settling my hair also. Time sikkala parlor yella everything is closed, so I'm just gonna do my hair. I hope it looks okay, fine, whatever. So yes, anyone wants to join my live video, let me get to know you, let me talk to you. Nim jotige matadtini. The guest will come, but ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ late barutte. She is from this season Big Boss, season 7. And let me see what is happening that side. Oh, okay. Madhu, my first caller, no, is Bhumika Pujari. Let me see. First caller online. I want your bracelet. No, my bracelet. I'm not going to give you that to you. So a lot of people ask me where I got this. Idu, it's not a chain. Okay, Idu. Show my outfit. Okay, show my outfit. I don't know where my manager went. He's supposed to be here, and my manager is supposed to be here next to me. Avaru sudden agi bandadu nan manager. Okay, guys, nan outfit ke torstini. All right, and you have to rate my outfit on a basis of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best. You guys will vote today. Okay, so no, we don't need that light. We do need that light? Okay, fine. So, I'll just swipe the camera around. Okay. Okay, so you guys have to rate my outfit on a basis of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best. Okay. So, what do you think of my outfit? What do you think of my outfit? So, the first results are coming in. 10, you're looking stunning. So, you know this. This is a corset. Nan yavaga ee corset haktini. Idu is a skirt. It's a skirt, the long skirt. I pull the skirt up and adu mele corset hakito. So, see, this is the back side of the skirt. So, that's it. Oh, wow. Okay, Rishma. Let me bring Rishma online. Rishma, would you like to go on live with me? I'm going live with Rishma Nanaya. Rishma Nanaya is one of my students, and yeah, let me bring her online. It's been a long time since I've spoken to her. Rishma, come online. Very pretty cool, yeah. Okay, she declined. Look at that. Let me see who else wants to be in my video. Anirudh Bhatt. One nimsha. Guys, you have to, oh gosh, what's wrong with this? You have to give me ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Let me get to know you guys, and guest ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But let's see, who's this? Anirudh Bhatt. Hi.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
I cannot hear you.
Hello.
No.
Can't hear me?
No.
Hello.
No. Can you increase the volume, or can you talk louder? One of the two.
Now? Hello.
Can you speak a little louder, Anirudh, or increase the volume?
I'm on the max volume.
Okay, your network is bad, I guess. So, Adike, I'm sorry, but thank you for joining. I cannot hear you. So, I had to remove, but Anirudh, yes. Next person. Let me see. Nick Pell too. Bring Nick Pell too around. Okay. Nikhil Yadav. I think there's something. Add me, Shiva. Okay. Hi, Mr. Rocky. Hi Rakesh, how are you? Hello. Oh guys, okay. If these type of requests coming and just leaving, so I won't take requests then. So if you want to talk, Ilandre, I'll just close. Please change the background. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Gidra. Okay, let me change the background. Let me sit this side just in case. Oh, much better. Okay. Yeah, the background. Hey, Gidra, how are you?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೂವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Okay. And tell me, how do you like the show? Show hegide? What do you feel about the show?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
Okay.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
All right. So, ಯಾವ ಊರು ನೀವು? Where are you?
ನಾನು ಕೊಡೈಕೆನಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Wow. Hey, Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal. Nice place. Good.
ಕೊಡೈಕೆನಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡೈಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay. And
ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು.
Okay, thank you. So, who is this? Okay, so what do you do? Bangalore nalli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
It's breaking. Can you hear me now?
Tell me.
1 minute. Cedric, you're next. So Cedric, stay online. You're going to come up next. Okay, so Bangalore nalli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
ಬಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋ ತಿಂದಿದ್ರ ನೀವು?
ನಾವು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ಡೈಲಿ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರು ಬೇರೆದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
I see. Okay. All right, Shiva. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining my live. Okay. I shall see you soon. 2:30. ಇದು ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, so just keep tuning in. All right.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Bye. So, thank you, Shiva. So let me see. Who else? Where is Cedric? Cedric. Who do I take? Akshita Kumari. Where is Cedric? Did he? Cedric Braz. Cedric, guys, he's from actually Goa, and Cedric is now in Dubai or Muscat. I don't know. I forgot where he is, but he's somewhere. So let me see. Nanishtu Dina. He's a very good fashion designer. Our choreographer no ide. Cedric, can you please answer the phone, child? And okay, yes. What did I do this morning? This morning I went to one walk ke hogito, and in JP Nagar. So I wanted to check out my neighborhood. It's very green. Tumba green ide. I like this area. So it's kind of nice. I don't know if you guys are anywhere close by. So anyone who lives in JP Nagar, just say hi. So I will say hi back to you. Yes, Anthony, what's up? Nothing's up. I know this background people are saying is better because of the light. So okay, Cedric. I don't know where this Cedric went. What's up? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take yaru nan jotige I'm taking, so I'm going to take a screenshot and one collage martini. So I want to have as many people as possible. That is for my personal Hi. How are you?
Fine.
I can't hear you.
Sorry, what's breaking?
Your voice is bad.
Wait, 5 minutes.
Can you hear me now? Okay. Valentine Matilda Lobo. Hi, sweetie. Shiva Shiva. Please come to Kodaikanal. No. That is dangerous. Okay. Guys, anything you want to ask me, nanke yeno kelbekandre, please keli dayaviಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ because see, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಸೇ ಓ ಆದಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ, please go ahead. I'm more than happy to answer. You want to talk with me, talk, but where is this guy? Manjunath M. Achar. So guys, ask me anything nimke ಏನು if you want to ask me, and also I have to keep an eye out for my guest. Nan guest no ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, hi.
Hi.
Where are you? How are you?
I'm in Sumbulgade now.
But
Sumbulgade nearby Sumanali.
sweetie, I really can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Voice is very breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, my some network problem.
Okay. Where are you?
Sorry.
Where are you?
I'm in Sumbulgade, Magadi Road.
Magadi Road.
Yeah.
Wow, that's super far.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for joining because I'm straining my ears. Okay.
Your voice is also breaking, some network issue. Some
Okay.
voice is
Cool.
breaking.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice is dress. You are nice. Is looking super.
Thanks. Okay. All right. A lot of questions coming in. People want to see what I'm wearing again. Okay, so let me flip the camera around. Let me ask my manager to hold my phone. Yeah. I'm showing my outfit. So, this is my outfit. Okay. Right, guys, if you like my outfit, rate it on a basis of 1 to 10. Oh my god, I almost broke my heel. So guys, girls, if you have suppose your heel goes like this, show some shoe cam. So if your heel goes like this, girls, nim heel ee tara hogidre, immediately counterbalance it like this. Okay, so if it goes like this, counter. So I'll show you. Okay, so your heel goes like this. See how it is. Okay, so you got to counterbalance on your. So see. So you always have to, and remember. Who's saying this? Someone saying nice dress. Thank you. So guys, girls, if you always want to counterbalance your heels, ee tara shoe hogidre, you put your heel immediately like this, so it always stands. Thank you. 10 out of 10. Thank you. All right, so again, this is another creation. Creation today, it is my own creation. Nam designer Chandan Gowda, he is my personal designer, so he has just sent me some new outfits. Actually, guys, wait, let me check out the outfits. Okay, what he sent me. Can you get the bag? Okay, so he's just sent me some outfits. Who's today's guest? That the guest is a surprise. Girls are nothing in front of the train. Your heels collection is fabulous. Thank you. Guest Bharat. So my designer has sent me clothes. Okay, Bhumi is online. Yeah, let her be online. I love little Bhumi. So cute. Okay, where? Online with me? Here? Wait, let me see. She's there. Yeah. Bhumi baby, I'm adding you. Just come online for a second, just to say hi. Hi, Hale. Okay. So guys, this is what my designer has sent me. Let me see. Whoa, that's a lot of clothes. Okay, she declined. maybe network issues. So I don't know what this is. So, ooh, wow, Chandan, beautiful. So this is another top, okay? This is a top which I'm going to be wearing soon. This, I don't know what this is, but let me see. Guys, I'm actually, the first time you said to ask or speak, Adam. Yeah. One sec, let me show you your clothes. Thank you. Okay, this is this is a skirt. Okay, this is a skirt. So all these idu ella ನೀವು hire ಮಾಡಬಹುದು or rent it out from Chandan Gowda official. Okay. Ooh, wow, I love this. This is so me. Just look at this. Ooh, this is a top. It's a one shoulder top. I love it. Thank you, Chandan. Oh my god. This what is this? This also is a top. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Nice. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. This is another. I love animal prints. Animal prints, idu solid dresses. Yeah, it looks solid on me. Idu, I can say this is a nice. It's very difficult to carry off animal prints. Girls ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ you have to wear solid pants. ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇರ್ ಐದರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ or ಬ್ರೌನ್ or ವೈಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ವೆಲ್ with Indian skin tones. This is, oh gosh, this is so pretty, but will I wear that? Okay, this also is a top. Idu, hey Charlene, what's up? You can wear this with hot pants. Hot pants, none. I'll show you. Okay, now this is amazing. This is so me. So you guys are going to see all of this very soon. Adam, no girl can make a collection. No. E collection, idu nan choice illa. This collection is sent to be by my designer Chandan Gowda official. Today's show is all about Chandan. Chandan, I hope you're watching. Wish we will see you in these dresses every single day. I change my outfits. So idu salpa haledu, but I've done something with it. Okay, this is, I thought this was a skirt, but it's not. It's another bell top, which is beautiful. Oh my god. Chandan, you're too good. You just know exactly what I would wear. Another bell top. ಈ ಥರ ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಡೀಪ್ ನೆಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ನೆಕ್, no, this is called a boat neck. Boat neck ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ you can even wear it on one shoulder, right? You can wear it like this. You can wear it like this. And one more thing, I will teach you all I will show you all, girls especially, how to see, or boys, I will teach you all how to see whether this shirt one sati tumba udda agutte alva, it becomes very long. So can you go to my cupboard and just get any of my shirts, boy shirts. Okay, it's folded and kept on the second row. So sad, poor Anthony. I make him do all this. Oh man. Look at this. This is, now idu, it's a top. It's a tube top. I will never, okay. First, before I get into the tube top, let me show you guys how to check for the length. Now, this is your shirt. Okay, idu correct nim size ke. How will you do it? Jana, we know how to do for shoulders. We do it at the back. Okay, so you do the shoulders like this and it will set. Now how do you check the length? How you don't hold it up like this illa. So collar ide alva, this is the collar for t-shirts and shirts. This is the collar. Hanger ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. You actually have to put it on one hanger. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then you check, so it will come correct. Okay, so this is for boys, this is for girls. ಇಬ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು just one fold. ನಾನು 2 fold ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ because there's no hanger. So then you will see the correct length, how much it comes for you, right? Okay, so that is another thing. Coming to the tube top, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ this is a very dancey thing. ನಾನು I would not wear it just like that. Definitely I will wear a shirt, just something to cover. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ cheap, it looks very cheap. You will look like a, I can't say the word, but yeah, you will look like that. Okay, so that, oh, hot, this is hot again. ಈ ಥರ see, this ಇದು only elastic. If I just wear it like that, nanu I will look like a bar dancer, so I can't wear it. So yeah, Christy, Shama, yeah, so you have to cover. There is one fine line there between being sexy, between being vulgar, and between being cheap. This is sexy if you cover it. ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೇಕಪ್. ನೋಡು, ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, I just did mascara on my eyes and a little this thing, and what do you say, lip balm. Today is not even lipstick, lip balm ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಬಿಸಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ how I will look, no? So this you have to put one shirt over and it will look nice. White shirt, especially white shirt ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು for day or for night. Black ಹಾಕಬೇಡ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ it will look too the elastic could be another color, black color. Yes, I was getting to that, Cedric, I was getting to that. So the elastic, actually ಇದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ, for my skin color I need it to stand out, Cedric. So putting black would make it, it's like wearing a bra with those plastic straps. That is very cheap, so I don't like that. So this is another one. Then we come to this. I don't know what this is. I really don't know what this is. Okay, this is a long, like a gown kind of thing. It's a very brunchy dress. It's a long dress. Okay, this no, this is not my style. This is not my style, yakandre I mean, I like it. Maybe it will look nice on somebody else. Wait one second, somebody is asking me, Akshita kelta ide, Adam ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಗೆಟಪ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಕ್ಷತಾ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಸೀರೆ, 2 ಸತಿ ಸೀರೆ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ, that's just not my style. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್? ಎಸ್, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮೀ. ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮೀ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್. ಮ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ವಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊಂಬೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಗೊಂಬೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸಾರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಶಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ಗೊಂಬೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೊಂಬೆಗೆ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬ್ರೂಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೂಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ in Kannada? I don't know what you say. Parke kuchi in Tamil. Bamboo kuchi, I don't know, some kuchi. I look like a kuchi. Grow your hair, you look more beautiful. Navneeta, this, so the style is, see, why am I not even combing my hair is, so actually nan hairdresser illa, so my hair is like this. Idu I have to shave off, full shave madkondo, then this will come down. So this will actually be like this. I'm going to grow it till here. From when you started to like wearing girls' costumes? 2000, not like, actually, adu joke. I just started as a joke. Okay, so I just wore it. Nam school nalli we were having a play and yaru hudgi was not going to do that part. So I said, sari, nane ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ and everyone was like, wow, you look better than the girls. Then ನಾನು ನೋಡಿತು ಮಿರರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ I said, yeah, I'm okay. But you know, at that time ನನಗೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, nothing I knew. I looked so bad, you guys. I'm telling you, it was awful. So Jiva Pujari, Adam, why can't you try? Sweetie, I can try. ನಾನು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ನಂಬರ್ ಒನ್ ನನ್ನ ಸೀರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸೀರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟ ಟೈ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಮೀ ಆದಮ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಶೋಭಾ ಸೆಸ್, I am black skin tone. How am I choosing cloth color? Please tell me. Shobha, first of all, ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಲರು, ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಣ್ಣ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಲರು ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆರ್ ವೀಟಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆರ್ ವೀಟಿಶ್. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲರು ಈಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಎನಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು, ಸಾರಿ ದೀಪಕ್, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Adam, why can't you try? Too long hair. I'll do that. Okay. Okay, Anu V Gowda 1703, you're asking me a stupid question, so you get off my channel immediately, bitch. Okay, right. Yeah, long hair I will try. See, ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ರೈಟ್, ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು what was this? Dark skin tone. So dark skin tone, orange suit ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, orange, red, yellow, emerald green. Cedric, if you're online, can you please help me with the colors? Jean or Jean? Jean.tr23, how can I contact you if I want to work, sir? Please, ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in if you want to work with a fashion house or if you want to work in a talent house, please, yes, now I'm starting a talent industry, a talent house rather, very soon. ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಂಥನಿ. ಸೇ ಹಾಯ್. Okay, Anthony is sitting over there and taking this thing. So the thing is, we are starting a talent house, so models, singers, dancers, yella I will take, and then you know I can find work for people. So that is my dream, that is my goal. Anthony and I are going to do it. And yes, you can always DM us, direct message kalsi Adam Pasha manager, and Anthony and I get the same, you know, we both manage the accounts. So please, Dayavittu, if you have any questions or whatever, please ask us. Shiva, I'm designing mushroom design dresses. Smriti Shettigar, call my name. Hi, sweetie. Adam, so much of information. Thank you. Useful program. Thank you. Nice legs, Anthony. Yep. You look, Adam, please buy all the new costumes. Definitely, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಡೈಲಿ. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಫಾಲೋ what is this, Chandan Gowda official, my official manager, and he will help you with all this. I'm actually doing my fashion designing, so would love to work with you. Jean, please contact Adam Pasha manager, we'll get in touch. Akshita, you're too cute. Hi. Your manager's damn cute. Yes, and which is why he is my manager, and anyone tries to steal my manager, look into my eyes. I will come after you. Right. Shalini, nice earrings. Sweetie, actually, idu on the pair. Okay, this idu is a pair. That pair, this one broke. So now I have to do this. So mix and match. Adam is a warrior. Please, all respect to him. Love him. Don't make bad. Bad comments ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. We are addicted to your show, Adam. Thank you. Teach about fashion. ಏನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು? What do you want to know about fashion? What do you want to know about makeup? Please go ahead. Ask me. Nice information. Thank you for giving good input. Thank you. Which lens are you using? It's sexy. Sweetie, it's not lenses. These are my real eyes. I wear contacts. but that is for power. This is for the colors are mine. So yeah, we'll steal you only. You can steal. Oh, you want to steal me? Okay. Please share his details. Costumes are well designed. Yes, our hesru Chandan Gowda official. Actually, just go to my profile. Nam profile ke hogi. Type followers or following Chandan Gowda and you'll find him. Nice little fellow. We want to see you in cinemas, Adam. It'll be more. Okay. I finished one movie. Hesru Chowki Bara. Yeah. So you'll see me on the big screen. Idu lockdown lift ugly. Then we'll see. Do you have take a breath and speak? Why? I can speak. Do you have siblings? I do too. Please extend the discussion about dark skin tones. What would you like to know? Navita_Shetty, call Anthony. No, he's my manager and he has work. So please leave Anthony out of my show. Shobha, it's used for many people. Right, Shobha. Kelly, you have to ask me questions about dark skin tones. Nani already helitu which colors are good for you. Earthy colors, brown, white, emerald green. Ivage different greens ide. Okay, now see. E color greeno, neon green is good. Okay. That bakery, Iyengar bakery nalli ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕೇಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಮುಟಾಯಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಅದು ಬೇಡ, don't do that. Okay, so that is also Rakesh. Adam, I doubt why apples with Adam. No, not other fruits. How the idea origin? Okay, apples with Adam, like ಇದು ಏನೋ Adam's apple ಅಲ್ವಾ. End of the day ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So you have an apple with me. I'm a boy. So apples with Adam. You should be of Netflix. Cedric, help me to get into Netflix, dude. Okay. Cedric, can you come online with me, Cedric? Let's discuss about dark skin tones. Yaru kelta ide. Shanvi Trend says, tell my name, sir. Hi, Shanvi. Navita Shetty, I don't use lenses, darling. Nano a power lens hakta idini color namdu. Can you make Anthony wave to us so we can see him and wave back? Okay, Anthony, wave.
What's up?
There. Who is your celebrity crush? JK. Manege iru yallige hogbeda. I'm not going anywhere. I think you're hearing over. What? You're overweight. Oh, my hearing is overweight. No way. See. No way. It is light. Idu eshtu gotta? This is 60 rupees. Ashte. Can you please do live with Chitra Vasudev? Maybe. Let's see. How's your quarantine going? Good. Hey, November whiskey. Hello, what's up? Which is your best live? Who's your favorite except JK? My best live was, all my lives, Yellaru live is special to me in a different way. But my most fun, I don't know, everything is fun. So, all of them. Who is your brother from another mother? Tough question. I have many. Who's your favorite heroine? Kannada heroine? You know what? And then Jasti movies nodilla, so Shobha says sorry. For what, darling? Why are you saying sorry? He is so hot and super. No. Now, bitch, no, you're not going there. Okay, 69 earring. Yes, 60 rupai. Shalini. Tejaswini Dimpo, cutest manager ever saw. Yes, and right. Had your lunch, Adam? Yes, I have. No, actually, no, I haven't. I have to keep fending off these people from my manager. Hello, my manager. Leave him alone. Okay. Can you please suggest some good place for accessories and clothes? Yes, Chandan Gowda official. Please contact him. Auru, he tailor makes clothes for you. Arjun meeting. What's up, Adam? There should be one special brother. No, who is that? I would say I have one special person. ನಾನು ತಕದಿಮಿತ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿ he was there for me. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. I would say his name is Melvin. Yeah, Melvin, you are very special to me. Had your lunch? No, darling, I have not had. Adam, please say. Oh, evening I have a guest. Evening nalli one guest ಇದೆ. Maybe we'll go live with you because we are going to cook dinner together, I guess. Adam, please say hi. Okay, now tell me about Kishan. What do you know about Kishan? What do you want to know about Kishan? Kishan is Anushagar Gagana Shetty. Let me check Gagana Shetty online. Gagana Shetty. ಶೋಭಾ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮೇಕಪ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಿಪ್ ಬಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು, ಬ್ರೌನ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ. ಹೆಲೋ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಗಗನಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ? ಹೆಲೋ. Turn the camera, I can only see your window.
Hi.
Oh my god, oh, hi. Woo. Okay, hi Gagana, what's up?
How are you?
I'm good, you have beautiful hair. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೂದಲು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Lovely.
Oh, thank you. You too as well.
ನೋ, ಏನಿದು ಪರ್ಕೆ ಥರ ಇದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹರಿಕನ್ ಕಟ್ರೀನಾ ಅವರು.
But actually my family always big fan of you, Adam. So
How sweet, thank you.
thanks usually my mom.
Where is your mommy?
My mom, my
Where-
sister.
where
My
is your
mom is
mummy?
not there. I came for the vacation.
Uh-huh.
And my sister also.
Where is your sister?
Nishu, are Nishu.
Ishu baro. Ishu baro.
I don't know. She's shocked actually. She's talking
For
right.
what? No, tell her to come. Ishu baro ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Ishu.
All ಬರಲ್ಲ. Nishu ಮಾತ್ರ.
Ishu ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ
Let's
ಜೊತೆ.
talk in ಕನ್ನಡ Adam.
ನಾನು
ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಶುಗೆ ಕರಿ. ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನನಗೆ. ಇಶು ಬಾ, ಇಶು ಏನು ಇಶು?
ನೀವು ಫಿಲಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಆದಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
ಫಿಲಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ.
ಇನ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್. ನಾನು ಇದು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಈ ಟಾಕ್ ಶೋ ನನಗೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಶು? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಇಶುಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅವಳು ಯಾಕೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. Now both the sisters got into a fight. What?
Sorry, exactly.
Both the sisters got into
Had
a
you
fight.
lunch, Adam?
No, ma.
Yeah.
Was she hit you off her?
Exactly. ಹೌದು, ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮದು ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, give me your mommy's phone number. Where is your mommy?
And my mom's sister she was also a big fan of you. So
I want to talk to your
I
mommy.
will give
Where? Hi.
Hi.
This is your mommy?
Hi.
This is your mommy?
Mom's.
Your mom's sister?
Yes.
Oh, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನೇ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ,
ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ.
ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿಮ್ಮ, ಜೆ ಪಿ ನಗರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಯಶವಂತಪುರ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ? ಓಕೆ,
ಯಶವಂತಪುರ.
ನಾನು ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಮಾ. Okay, Gagana, thank you so much for calling. All right?
Thank you so much.
No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
And
Thank you
listen,
so much.
text me your mommy's number. Text me your mommy's number.
Definitely.
Now. Text me your mommy's number now. I will call her.
Okay, Adam. Thank you so much.
You're
You
welcome.
accepted my request. Thanks a lot. It means a lot.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so that was Gagana. Who this asking about Bunny? Where's Bunny? She's there. He's there. My bunny. He's there. Okay, now next. Let me take Nalini Devraj. Okay, unable to join. Let me take. Who else did I take? Yeah. Swati Radhakrishna. Swati M. Radhakrishna. Somebody is saying show outfit please. Darling, idu agbit, I've shown it twice. So guest is coming. Hello, Swati.
Hi, Adam. Student Allison.
Hi.
Adam, how are you?
I'm good, darling. How are you?
I'm good. But I think it's from past 2 weeks I'm requesting.
Sorry?
I was requesting for a live from past 2 weeks, Adam.
Oh, sorry, ma. Because see,